So, with your clients, when you go into their environments, how do you help them protect their servers, and who are they protecting against? Do they usually get broken into? What happens?
When we typically go into a new client situation, we perform an assessment of all of their equipment and look at their processes, and then we write up recommendations for them. When we see uh, obvious security concerns, then we let them know about that and also make recommendations and how they should change their policies to tighten up their security.
Do you have a customer that you've done that with and helped them protect their patients' data or their customers' data?
We've had one medical client that I'm thinking of where their server was exposed out in the open. The data was not encrypted, and the passwords were not very strong. And so we went in and made the suggestion that they either physically secure their server or encrypt it, and also change their policy about passwords so that they became, as Tom indicated, using random information that each user log in separately so that they're able to track who's logging in where and what information they are putting in or taking out of the server. And they've implemented those, and their environment is a lot more secure.
I wish we could know who it was so we'd know we'd go there and our data would be secure, but I know you can't tell that kind of information. So if data is taken from medical records, what do these crooks do with it?
Primarily, they're looking for names, addresses, social security numbers, and other personal information that they are able to go in and steal their identity so that they're able to set up credit card transactions, purchase things, and basically convert that information into some form of currency so that they are able to go out and purchase stuff.
So then if it were my credit card company would probably forgive me that debt, but I suppose as a society we're paying if that happens. But what happens to an office that is breached in that way and the data is taken? Do they get in trouble?
Yes. Particularly in the medical community, HIPAA is growing teeth, and there are huge fines that are being assessed on medical establishments where patient data is being compromised.
And then can you be so small that they're not going to notice and you only have to worry if something bad happens, or do audits happen periodically in this community? How concerned do medical practitioners need to be?
Audits are coming, so it's something that they should be implementing and getting their processes down so that when they are audited, they're able to easily pass the audits.
And what are the fines in areas like that?
Anywhere from tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of dollars currently.
Yikes.